Good day everyone, welcome to the case of the week. Today's case is the State of Lagos versus Dr. EJIKE FERDINARD ORJI 2023, suit number LD 8963C/2019. This is an unreported case. On July 26, 2018, Master Somi, a young boy, sustained an injury in his left leg while playing basketball. He was taken by a police officer and a friend to Excel Children Medical Center, owned by Dr. EJIKE FERDINARD ORJI. On the instruction of Somi's mother, upon arrival, Dr. ORJI directed the two non-medical companions to assist him in the operating theatre, giving them surgical gloves to wear. The doctor sedated Somi and instructed the men to pull Somi's leg while he applied a fiberglass cast, all without first conducting the X-ray to determine the nature or severity of the injury. When Somi regained consciousness, he complained of severe pain and burning sensations in his leg due to the tight cast. His mother called Dr. ORJI, complained, but the doctor dismissed her concerns, saying the tightness would subside in 2 days and asked them to return in 2 weeks. The pains worsened overnight and they returned to the hospital the next day. The doctor admitted the cast was tight but merely cut out a small patch instead of removing it entirely. Soon after, foul-smell fluid began oozing from the leg. The doctor reluctantly removed the cast and rebandaged the leg, which was already badly swollen. Despite this, Somi's condition deteriorated. His leg became infected and he developed compartment syndrome, meaning blood flow and oxygen were cut off from the leg. He was taken to another hospital on July 30, 2018, where emergency surgeries were performed to save the leg. Between August 2 to 10, Somi had 6 surgeries in Nigeria. Meanwhile, Dr. ORJI never contacted the family afterwards to check on Somi's condition. On August 10, 2018, Somi was flown to the United States for further treatment, where he underwent 6 additional surgeries, making a total of 12 operations on the injured leg. The Attorney General of Lagos subsequently filed a 6-count criminal charge against Dr. ORJI, including causing grievous bodily harm and endangering life through reckless and negligent acts under the Criminal Law of Lagos State 2015. The charges as follows: Charge 1 of causing grievous bodily harm, Charge 2 of endangering human life through reckless and dangerous acts, Charge 3 of breach of duty by a person doing dangerous acts and endangering human life through reckless and dangerous acts, Charge 4 of breach of duty by unlawfully inflicting severe injury on Somi's toe, Charge 5 of breach of duty by the defendant in refusing to remove the tight cast, which resulted in compartment syndrome. The trial court found the defendant guilty and accordingly convicted him in respect of count 2, 3, 4, and 6 of the charge. Upon listening to the plea for leniency by the defendant's counsel, the trial court sentenced the defendant to 1 year imprisonment for each of the sentences were to run concurrently. This case became one of the first criminal convictions for medical negligence in Nigeria. Medical care is not a favor, it is a service, and every patient is the consumer with enforceable rights. Thank you for listening to the case of the week.